In this video, we're going to draw a random sample from the voter file we've been using in class. Remember, the file itself is a sample of 1,500 respondents who voted in the 2012 presidential election. However, for our purposes here, we will treat these 1,500 respondents as a population, and we will draw a random sample of 500 respondents from this larger group. The important point is, we will demonstrate the procedures in SPSS for drawing a random sample from a larger group, which we will designate as a population. The commands and the procedures will be the same, regardless of the group we are defining as our population. We begin up on the command line by clicking on the Data command, and on the pull-down menu we scroll down to Select Cases. In the Select Cases window, we indicate we want to draw a random sample of cases. We want to describe the sample, so we click on the button for sample, and even though we could draw 33% of the cases in this file and have a sample of approximately 500 cases, let's be more precise and select exactly 500 cases from the 1,500 cases in the file. We continue, and the output we want is we only want to see the respondents that are in our sample. Hence, we don't want the unselected cases, so we're going to delete those unselected cases. Having described the sample and the output, let's click OK. And here is our sample, and I'm going to scroll down to show you that it is 500 respondents. They are randomly selected so that there is no bias in the selection, and we may now treat this as a group that is representative of the larger population from which they have been selected. That is the purpose of random sampling. It allows us to treat the population in our data analysis as representative of the larger population. Hence, we can generalize to the population based on the findings from the analysis of data from the sample. That concludes this video, and there will be others to follow.